boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. If at the first time you check out the Chaddy More TV, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications. So anytime we upload videos like these, you definitely are going to be the first to know.
Check it, Kyle, right there. And them girlfriend a play do as I say.
In this video, we are going to talk about how Alkaline finally pay homage to Vybz Kartel and label him as a king. I know a lot of you miss that. People, we are going to review the song entitled High Profile. I'm not tell a lie. It's a feel-good song. It's a kind of party type, girl type of song like that. But then, in the cover art, Mrs. say immature shades of a Vybz Kartel, Massicka, and Popcaan. How that? I don't know. Because it's a feel-good song. And with the cover art, I say, it not have nothing to do with what the song I say. But guess what? We are going to talk about the song and the cover art right after this.
Spend money and pay back. Let chick step back. Give a fuck, we not take chat. So we are run up and I eat that. Body flat line, seem tapping and hit that.
This video is brought to you by Millennium, the best of the 2000s throwback party. Come party with me, Chaddy Murray, on the night of my birthday. That's November the 19th in Port Antonio, Portland. Music by Cashflow Rings, CD Master Biggs, and C-Matic from outer St. Elizabeth, Jamaica. People, it's gonna be an epic night at Millennium, the best of the 2000s.
Yeah, Chaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes! Chaddy Murray TV.
For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chaddy Murray. Bototom, Bush, Yaksta said that.
So people, on a big man level, as I said before, there's not a lot to talk about in this song profile. And if I say high profile before, a profile is song really name. I must mistake. I'm not able to cut it out. That. But anyway, still, the cover art explain more of the dissing or it give off more shade when I not really understand. Nowadays, I can't to understand Alkaline song them, you know. Because if you are gonna do a song, like just do a regular song for your fans, you see me? Remember you say you're hot and you say your name Alkaline Vendetta Boss. So if you're Alkaline and you're Vendetta Boss and you're hot, why every time you do a song you have to throw shades at Kartel, you see me, or a Popcaan, or a Massicka? Well, lately Massicka add to the list, but Popcaan and Kartel, him been a do that something there. Brother, just do a song for your fans them, no dog, make your fans them enjoy themselves. Then again, a lot of people probably forward in the comment section and say, Chaddy, we did tell you say we want another song. Him done give a song already. A them song you will like. Because guess what? Them people out there, all if Alkaline say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, them are forward on the internet and say, yo, are the baddest thing this. So let's not talk about the song. And by the way, the song is a very, very, very good song. The song I never need no shade. I think me said that already. But let's go into the video part right now.
High profile.
So anybody ever download Popcaan on them phone and play it yet? It would look like that. The cover art would have given that look there, that feeling there. And the camera is viewing off the view of Alkaline. I'm going to tell you why I feel like Alkaline it a view off. See? So 5 players in the game. In this game here. And what are the players them have little extra poker. See? Alright, so let's talk about the player on the far right. So if you look, the player on the far right of Alkaline, which is the character that we suggest say Alkaline, that you don't see a 2 Joker card. I'm not telling a lie, the Joker card them just look like Popcaan. A matter of fact, them are Popcaan. You know what he say, at the hairstyle Popcaan normally do him ear, you know. But then again, the editor now have to do much work because if you look on a real Joker card, I saw them normally look. So basically, Alkaline compare Popcaan with a Joker card, and then people who know, you know, Popcaan a really internet meme. You can't grow on that one day. So the next one we are going to talk about or look at is we assume that is Vybz Kartel. I'm going to tell you why we assume that it's Vybz Kartel. If you notice, it's a king card in other hand, right? So you have a king, a 3, and a 5. Now, the king, if you look closely, it would look like the king there behind bars. Now, who is behind bar? Now, Vybz Kartel. So, in my opinion now, I mean, I ask the people, wouldn't you say that Alkaline pay homage to Vybz Kartel? You would say Alkaline as a Vybz Kartel are the king. The only thing in the behind bar. I don't know, you know. But the next suspicious thing with that hand have king, a 3, and a 5. Now we don't establish the king or what. So where the 3 and the 5 mean? Now people, if you had 3 and 5, you get 8. So what you think? Is that him 8 the king? I don't know. But the editor could have used any other number. Him could have used 1 3, him could have used 1 4, him could have used 1, I don't know. Well, 1 9 a card pack. A foolishness, me I say. But him could have used any other 2 combination. Him use 2 number, that's when you add them up, you get 8. But people, leave it in the comment section below and let me know what you think about that. We're on to the next card. Now, this one is very, very easy to explain. Alkaline and this. And why I say alkaline and have the S of spade with a jack there behind it. I don't know how the jack forward in, you know, the jack sound wish. But if you look good, you can see Alkaline are the man with the chips. Alkaline are the man with the money. You see me? So Alkaline are win this game of poker right now versus the other artists them. One a joker, one have king, but the king lock up. You see me? With a bag of 8 there. And now Alkaline have one of the biggest card in the game, and that is a S. Who know card or poker or sinker, as what them call it when me go to school. Who know we know that. See me? So Alkaline dominate the game. Meaning Alkaline dominate this musical game. Me not so sure still, you know. But we are going to move on to the next card. And next thing I forgot to mention, if you look closely on the S of spade, you can see Alkaline image right there. So that me did forget to mention earlier on in our review. So the next player is Massicka. I'm going to tell you why this one is Massicka. People, when Massicka last album when put out name, no 438. And then look now, we don't establish that character is Massicka. But what? Massicka are the only one in this cover art we have little bit of chips. So is that he must say his album, as in Massicka album, did little bit accumulate little bit, but not as much as his album. Me no know, me not think so, because in my opinion, 438 are one of the best album forward out in a long while. A matter of fact, if me be totally honest, 438 are the best album we forward out since New Level Unlock. This is our next one where kinda puzzle me. Even though I know some right, but more want to tell me what this mean in the comment section. So there's a 3, and a 9 in our person hand. Who that person is? I'm going to 5 seconds. 3, 5 seconds. In my opinion, that person is Squash. I'm going to tell you why. So 3 and 3 are 6. And them just style him and put a 9 there. 69. People, when you tell me in the comment section if you think I'm correct, you know what I mean? Tell me in the comment section what you think about this song entitled Profile. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about this topic we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? One way, any other way, or the wrong way, I'm gone. Oh, and before I go, just tell me in the comment section who me left out or if me miss any Alkaline hidden message.